This is my first creek fishing video, so if you guys have any tips or tricks on how to fish this, what baits to use, or anything, leave a comment down below. I really appreciate it. And also, if you're not subscribed, subscribe. There's gonna be plenty more videos where they come from. I post every Monday as of right now. And yeah, let's get to it. Okay, that was nowhere near in there. All right, first cast, caught something. Nice. All right. I'm also new to this hobby, so casting is not good, as you've seen in my previous videos. But, you know, just started, and I figured I'd record it. So here we are. Oh, fish. Nice. Look at that guy, huh? Wow, Sonny, that's perfect, dude. There you go. All right, see? One thing I learned from watching videos and everything else is literally just throw right where there's cover. Just using a little jig here. Oh, another one. There we go. What is that? Oh, Sonny. Wow, this guy's spinning out. Perfect. Oh, another one. There we go. Oh, not good. Dude, I just rigged up. Whoa, there's a bass over there. Dude, come on, man. Go. All right, I got it. And there was a bass that swam by and I missed it. All right, well, I'm gonna leave these guys alone. I'm gonna try the other side because I saw a bass chase that way after a fish. My goal is to try and catch that bass, or a bass, because that would be nice. It is really deep under this log here, so see what we can catch. Oh, fish on. Another Sonny. Okay. Not bad, not bad. Dude, I'll say it once and I'll say it again. A fish is a fish. Alright? Doesn't matter the size of the fish. A fish is a fish. Thank you, buddy. It's therapeutic going fishing. These are vicious. Got him again. Thank you, buddy. If there's not a Goliath of a Sonny in this area, then I don't know how to fish. Oh, got a bite. Oh, got another bite. Oh, got a fish. Oh, nope. Got a fish. Perfect. New spot, same fish. Is this guy following me around? Thank you, buddy. I am looking for a bass though, but I don't know if a bass is gonna eat this. I mean, he will, but. Got one. There we go. Oh no. Oh man. I'll leave those fish alone. Try another new spot. Oh, had a bite. Oh, got one. Nice. Thank you, buddy. Let's try over here. Oh, first cast too. Oh, it's a bass, I think. Yep, first bass. Oh, look at that. That's so cool, right? That is cool. You know, I came out here with the goal to catch bass, or to catch a bass in this creek over here, and look at that. Small little guy, perfect. He's healthy too. That's so cool. Thank you, man. Ah, new species, caught a bass. Try right there again. Got one. That's a good size, honey. Thank you, buddy. Whoa. Dude. No way. This guy attacked that shit. Now this, I know, is a largemouth, I think. Actually, I don't know. Yeah. This is a largemouth bass. But what was the other one? I know this is a largemouth. Nice. Thank you, buddy. Nice. Thank you, buddy. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed Creek Fishing Episode 1. You know, leave a comment down below if you've seen anything that I've done wrong or something I can do better. Let me know down below and I will gladly change that, and I will try some more tactics. But this is Episode 1 of Creek Fishing. If you guys want to see more, subscribe and leave a like, comment. I'll try to answer your comments as soon as possible. And stick. Yeah. All right, guys. Peace.